Hey, my name is Brent Dillon, and I'd like to take about 2 minutes and explain how I made my card. First and foremost, I went into the drawable file after I set it up with my application. I essentially just went with my application that was already set up in here with some code. I went to the drawable folder and I took the Android Party JPG and went to Photoshop and started making some graphics within Photoshop. And what I did is I kept that same size to make it relative to what I've been working with before to create less work. I created an image view, text view. I have about one, two, three, four, about 5 or 6 text views. And I went ahead and put the graphic on the bottom with the layers. I did try some other layers out, but this just worked better and it stayed consistent when I turned the screen from vertical to horizontal. Most important thing in here for me was to come up with the IDs, because with the IDs for each one, I could position the text above or below based on the top text. Bob Andrews was the most important text for me here because everything else was in relation to it. I went ahead and put padding left, padding top here, and at the bottom, I went ahead and put a little bit padding at the bottom, a little bit different than at the top, because I didn't want too much spacing to be here and it added twice. So each padding is a little bit different. I think top was 10 here and no padding here, and the default was 10, so it all worked out. The only problem I had when doing some of this is actually when I would click on one of the text and move it by accident, and then it would change everything within the text view for that particular group of text, which made it really hard to get it back, so I had to be careful. I kept sans serif light for all of it, and it's pretty simple. It is essentially an image view with 5 or 6 text views, and nothing complicated, nothing tough. The hardest thing for me was getting all the IDs correct, and then using the layout below or above to identify the ID for the text above it. All right. My name's Brent Dillon, and hope this helps someone else out. Take care. Have a good day.